Maria here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are creating this absolutely gorgeous, stunning, glittery cut crease eyeshadow look. Like, we're doing the whole makeup look, but this eyeshadow is bomb, honey, like bomb. For the glitter on my eyes, it is specifically marketed as a body glitter. This is the on my lid is the ColourPop Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter. So again, it is specifically marketed as a body glitter, but if you don't have sensitive, watery eyes, you should be okay. Like, I know my eyes typically tend to get really overly sensitive and watery or dry depending on like what I'm using on my eye, and I didn't have any kind of reaction to it, so you might be able to get away with it, but do it at your own discretion. I'm going to tell you this a couple of times throughout the video as well. I'm just saying, y'all not going to get me talking about I told you. Nope. I told you to use it at your own discretion. So, but first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you have hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another upload from me. And give this bomb look, you know, a nice big thumbs up, because I feel like I'm getting better at these cut creases. So, you know, I just wanted to zhuzh it up a little bit. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this video. First thing, you know, that we're going to do is go in and do the eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow. This is from the Desi Perkins collab. So, hold on. I think I got like moisturizer or something. Make sure my brows are dry, free of anything. Now this is a number 4. I might go darker today since my hair is darker. I don't know, we'll see how I feel. For a primer today, I am going to go in with an oldie but a goodie. I am going to use my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Just gonna take about a pump, maybe a little bit more than a pump. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing my Becca Ultimate Coverage with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. And I just realized that when I got up, I did not get my Sigma blender. Be right back. We're back. As I was saying, stay put. Okay, as I was saying, Becca foundation with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Every bit of foundation that I have on back of my hand, we are still going to use it. I'm just saying. There, this is a Morphe M5 Yeah, M517. And I'm just taking the last little bit of foundation from the back of my hand. And for concealer today, we are going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. All right, and then to contour, I'm taking my Iman foundation stick in the shade Earth 7. It's really dark, so I'm only just using a little. And I'll go up a little bit higher. So that way I can bring it down more when I blend it out. To blend that out, I'm just using my Sigma flat kabuki brush. To blend out my concealer, I'm just gonna take my Sigma blender again. To set the under eye, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. Well, to set like all the highlighted parts of my face, not just the under eye, but all the highlighted parts of my face. Take a brush, this is an AOA Studio F25 brush, and I like to just lightly set under here. Like to lightly set it before I bake, like lightly setting it, just, you know, it sets it in place so it doesn't move while you're setting the rest of the face, and then you can just go back and bake over top of it. Okay, next we're going to bake. So to bake, I'm just going to use my ColourPop banana powder. And I actually like to use a dry beauty sponge. All right, time to dive into this eyeshadow look. So today we're going to be using the Sigma Viper palette. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is called Hypnotize. I'm gonna set this all over the lid. Okay. And then the second shade I'm going to go in with is called Adder. And I'm going to just put this in the crease. This is a really cool tone shade, so I'm gonna end up going over it with like a warmer tone, but you can just start with this. All right, and then going into the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, I'm going to take the shade Henna right here, which is like a warm tone brown. And then we're just going to go over that. So we're gonna carve out the crease. Okay, and then going back into the Viper palette, we are going to take the shade Sinister right here. And we're gonna just pat that on the lid. I got all this glitter. I got all this fallout on this side, but I don't have any fallout on this side. Now we are going to go in with some glitter. Now, I am going to warn you, these do say for body use only. So, I'm not going to recommend that you actually use these. You can probably find some good glitters to go on the eyelid, but I am going to use these. This is the Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter from ColourPop. This is in the shade Starfire. Looks like this. It does specifically say body glitter. However, today I am going to ignore it, and I am going to just take a flat brush and scoop out some of the glitter, and we're going to pop this right on top of the blue. Oh, that is so pretty. Use at your own discretion. You just, you know, you grown. Or if you're not grown, don't use it. That's all I'm gonna say. I wanted to use this other one too on top of it, but I think I'm just gonna stick with this because this is absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Right, absolutely beautiful. So going underneath the eye, I am going to take my Sigma Longwear eyeliner in the shade Wicked. I'm going to go in with, I'm going to take the Cool Tone shade from this palette and go underneath my waterline. I'm just going to use a pencil brush. Dang, I had a midnight blue eyeliner. I forgot. Oh well. And then going a little bit lower, I'm just going to take some of the henna shade. Now, to wipe off all of this baking powder, I'm just going in with my MAC Studio Fix in NC45. And this is a ColourPop F1 brush. I like to take a smaller brush underneath my eye, so I'm just going to take this AOA Studio F24 brush and wipe away under my eye. See, this just fits better underneath there, so I can easily wipe it away. Contouring the face, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Clean Matte in Tawny. And then taking that same powder down my nose. And kind of like up, not into the brow, but like on the brow bone, on the inner part of the brow bone. And just a little for blush today, I'm going to go in with Tarte Quirky. And for highlights, I am going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome. And I'm taking this big Morphe M403. So I kind of want to go over the blush too. Ooh, yeah, honey. All right, so we are going to, all right, so I'm gonna, oh, hello. All right, so before I do mascara and lashes, I'm going to set the face using my Urban Decay Slick All Nighter. And I'm just going to go in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara. Obviously, we're gonna go for a nude lip. In true, sticking to, you know, my true fashion. So I'm just going to take this brown liquid lip. I'm glad y'all couldn't see that. Or could you? I hope not. Ooh. Going in with Quickie from ColourPop. Just gonna blend that in. This nice glittery cut crease eyeshadow look. Oh my gosh, like I am absolutely in love. Again, the glitter that I applied on my eye does stay for body use only, and it is called specifically a body glitter. However, use at your own discretion, just like I did. I mean, if you don't have super sensitive, well, I had sensitive watery eyes and it didn't bother my eyes, so you might be able to get away with it. But again, don't be like, oh, Maria said I can use this and the eyeball fall out. Nah, you not blame that on me. Nope. Use the glitter at your own discretion, but I don't think you'll be mad at it if you do, because this look is bomb. Okay, so yeah, again, we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like this look. Make sure that you have already given this a big